Welcome to Control Access to Fields. In this unit, we'll delve into the crucial aspect of managing field-level security in Salesforce. By the end of this module, you'll be adept at controlling access to individual fields, ensuring the protection of sensitive information. Let's begin by understanding the reasons why limiting access to specific fields is essential and how to view and edit field-level security settings. Defining field-level security for sensitive fields is the second piece of the security and sharing puzzle, following object-level access control. Sometimes you may want users to have access to an object, but limit their access to individual fields within that object. Field-level security settings, or field permissions, come into play here. They control whether a user can see, edit, or delete the value for a particular field on an object. Fantastic! You've gained insights into the importance of controlling access to specific fields and learned how to navigate field-level security settings. In the next unit, we'll elevate our understanding by exploring advanced strategies to optimize data access in Salesforce. From Setup, click Setup again. In the Quick Find box, enter Profiles, and then select Profiles. Click the name of the profile that you want to change. Click Object Settings and select the object for which you want to update the field settings. Click Edit. Under Field Permissions for each field, specify the kind of access you want for users with this profile, and save your settings. From Setup, click Setup again. In the Quick Find box, enter Permission Sets, and then select Permission Sets. Select a permission set and click Object Settings. Click the object you're working with, then click Edit. Under Field Permissions, specify the kinds of access your interviewers need, then save this permission set. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.